In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update and replace page layouts in your Pages Management area using a hidden workspace in Chrome. To begin, open your Pages Management index and make sure you're viewing the layout columns and sidebars in Chrome. Using Chrome can help keep the interface consistent, especially when you're working with page structures, navigation groups, and drag and drop elements. Once you're inside the Pages area, take a moment to get familiar with the screen so you can clearly identify the main menu section and the supporting rows beneath it. Next, scroll down past the active main menu items and continue until you reach the tree stack line and the not linked rows section below it. This lower area acts as a hidden workspace, which is especially useful when you want to prepare page updates without affecting what current visitors see on the live site. Think of this section as your private staging zone inside the page manager. Once you've found that hidden workspace, create all of your new replacement mock draft pages there. This is where you'll build the pages that are intended to eventually replace your existing live versions. Keeping them in the not linked section allows you to work freely, test structure, and prepare everything in advance without exposing unfinished content in the public navigation. As you create these draft pages, build, design, and fully populate the content before moving anything into the live menu area. Add your layout elements, update the text, place your images or media, and make sure each page is complete. The goal here is to finish everything while it remains hidden, so public visitors won't see partial updates, broken formatting, or incomplete sections. This approach is especially helpful when you want a cleaner update process and a more polished transition. Take your time during this phase and review each draft carefully. Since the pages are not yet linked in the main navigation, you can focus on accuracy, spacing, visual consistency, and content flow without pressure. It's a simple but effective way to make large page updates more controlled. When your new page assets are finished and ready to go live, drag them up into the main navigation group block rows. This final move allows you to swap layouts instantly by placing the completed pages into the visible navigation structure. Because all the work was done beforehand in the hidden workspace, the transition feels quick and seamless. That's the full process for preparing replacement pages